Hi there, this is Brendan. Today, I'd like to show you an easy way to update the terminology within your Bloom Growth account to match the terminology that you and your organization use each and every day to help your business move forward. Now, to make these changes, you'll need to be an admin or have an admin in your organization take care of this for you. What you'll do is you'll click on your name in the upper right of your Bloom Growth account. From here, you'll click Manage Organization, and then we'll click the Advanced tab, and we'll come to Edit Terms. When we click on this button, we're taken to a page with all of the terminology within the Bloom Growth account for you. Now, at this point, we can choose to edit all of the terminology. So when we come in here and we edit this, you'll see that you can apply across the entire website and to all future meetings, meaning that any new meeting that you actually set up within your Bloom Growth account will automatically have the new terminology, so you will not have to edit that agenda in any way, shape, or form. So let's edit this particular agenda item to the team check-in. Metrics. Let's talk about numbers here and our goals. Let's do weekly goals. And then we scroll down. Even further, you can see the rest of the titles here from our meeting, and then we come into the business plan. Let's just change this to the business approach. And we'll change organizational chart to organizational seat. When we're done making all the changes within this page, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save. After we click Save, you can see that the main navigation has changed for us from business plan to business approach, and you'll also now see that organizational chart has changed to organizational seats. Now, if we go into our workspace, we'll also see further changes come through. You may recall that we had metrics in the list of terms there. I changed that to numbers, and that showed up within my tiles like so. Similar with the goals, we now see weekly goals. And now when we add tiles to our workspace, those same terms come across here for full consistency across your organization. Going into a meeting, you'll see the same thing. Again, updating team check-in, the metrics to numbers, and goals to weekly goals like so. So again, any other changes that you would have made would show up as well, even in your meeting workspaces, those primary workspaces that are created automatically for you. You see numbers instead of metrics, weekly goals instead of goals. As always, if you have any additional questions about this feature or anything else within your Bloom Growth account, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach our support team by clicking the question mark in the upper right, clicking Contact Support, reviewing our knowledge base, or you can always find us on chat in the bottom right as well.